Communication English for business and marketing-oriented professionals. Chapter 2. Business strategies. Competitive strategy. Each organization is grounded on a vision of achieving a specific goal, and that's why it needs a detailed and effective strategic planning and a careful execution. For example, say a business is systematically planned with core values of meeting the needs of customers and profit from it. This indicates that the organization is applying a certain method or following a specific model which is compatible to who it is and to the kind of industry, service, or product it would like to offer. The process enables to identify priorities, influences decisions, indicates restructuring for further improved process towards the vision. The adaptation of these models magnifies future diversity for upgrade, multiplicity, and control. There are numerous types of strategies developed and historically applied by many renowned business organizations. And an organization must choose the most competitive business and effective theory depending on the type and industry or service it would like to engage or deliver. Once one theory is chosen, it is advisable to adapt and thoroughly work on its implementation, as mixing up theories might cause difficulties, uncertainties, confusion to achieve the desired vision. The business strategy is all about targeting the most effective market and focusing on its implementation. According to Michael Porter, competitive strategy is about being different and deliberately choosing a different set of activities to deliver a unique mix of values. Strategic choices are unique values, and unique values is explained as positioning for competition with rivals. And strategic methods, which is adapting, designing, executing the plans. And strategic direction is sustainable stages, uninterrupted sets of activities towards the vision. Sustaining superior performance. According to Porter's generic strategic model, there are three basic strategic options available to organizations for gaining competitive advantage, and these are cost leadership, differentiation, and focus. Porter's generic strategies. Porter's generic strategies are a useful framework for organizations to identify a potential niche in which they can gain a competitive advantage in any industry. And they are stated as low cost strategy, best value strategy, differentiation, focus, low cost, focus, best value. Low cost strategy offers products or services to a wide range of customers at lower price. The best value strategy offers customers a range of products or services at lower price available compared to the competitors or rivals with similar business. Differentiation strategy aims at producing products and services considered unique, industry-wide, and directed at customers who are relatively price insensitive. Focus low cost strategy offers products and services or a small range of niche group of customers at the lowest price available on the market. Focus-based value strategy offers products or services to a small range of customers at the best price value available on the market, and sometimes it is called focused differentiation. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. If you like it, give it just a thumb and a click on the subscribe button. Until next episode, have a good time. Bye.